Welcome to JEE NEET video lecture of chapter 1 Electric Charge and Field, Charge and Coulomb's Law. Right. So today's example is example 2. A total charge Q is broken into two parts Q1 and Q2. Total charge is given as Q, right, broken into two parts Q1 and Q2, and they are placed at the distance r from each other, the maximum force. See, remember the word very carefully, maximum force. It's not force, it's the maximum force of repulsion between them will occur when. So we have to find out a charge distribution. Look at the options given. We have to find out the charge distribution. What should be the value of Q1 and Q2? Right? What will be the value of Q1 and Q2. So the repulsion force between those two charges at distance r will be maximum. So now we all know that the total charge is Q. So Q1 plus Q2 is equals to capital Q. So capital Q charge is broken into two parts, Q1 and Q2, right? So it's very obvious that Q1 plus Q2 is capital Q is equals to capital Q. That's the first thing. Second thing, the distance between those two is r and the force will be k, q1, q2 divided by r square. In this force, k is constant value, r distance between q and q2 is constant value. So we should find it out the value of q1 and q2 in terms of q so that the force F will be maximum. So now consider the value of q1 as total q, capital Q is suppose say 10. This is just an example. How to understand the problem and the value of q1 and q2. Right, so value of q1 will be say 1 and q2 is 9. That's the one option. For q10, q1 is 2 and q2 is 8. That's the second option. For q10, q1 is 3 and q2 is 7. Third option. 10, 4 and 6. That's the fourth option. 10, 5, 5. That's the fifth option. And there are many different options. Say 0.1 and 9.9, 1.1 and 8.9. So there are many different options possible. So in all of the options, what should be the value of F? What should be the value of Q? Q1 and Q2 so that the force F is maximum. Right? So Q1 and Q2 is a variable. We should understand that first. Q1 and Q2 is a variable. Force is also variable. The value of force should be maximum, and according to that we need to find the value of q1 and q2. So I will convert the force equation of force in one variable, and that is q minus q1. So at the place of q2 I have substituted q minus q1 divided by r square, right? So F is equals to k divided by r square, q into q1. That's the first step, minus k divided by r square, q1 square. This is the equation. Now q1 is a variable because q is a constant value, because total charge q is given, that is divided into q1 and q2, and distance r is a constant. So q1 is a variable and F is a variable. We say q1, what should be the value of q1 so that F is maximum, right? So this is how we visualize the problem. Right, now this question is how to find a force whose value is maximum, right? So there is a mathematical tool that's called differentiation, and when the differentiation of dependent quantity, that means F, q1 is called independent quantity and F is called the dependent quantity, because q1 की वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग F का वैल्यू डिसाइड होगा, right? So that's why F is dependent, q1 is independent. Now differentiation of F, which is a dependent quantity, with respect to independent quantity, which is q1, if that value is 0, then the force F becomes maximum, right? So what we are doing here is we do a differentiation of F, that is dF divided by dQ, sorry, dF divided by dQ1, and that value is K divided by R square, constant, Q is constant, Q1 का differentiation with respect to Q1 is 1, so that's 1, minus K divided by R square. Differentiation of Q1 square with respect to Q1 is 2Q1. Okay, and dF divided by dQ1 should be 0. This should be 0. And so dF divided by dQ1 is 0. Differentiation of F with respect to Q1 is 0. That means the whole right hand side should be 0. And therefore K divided by R square into capital Q minus K divided by R square into 2Q1 is 0, and therefore Q K divided by R square is equals to K divided by R square into 2Q1. K divided by R square is cancelled from both the sides, and Q1 is equals to Q divided by 2. Q1 is equals to Q divided by 2, right? So Q1, the value of Q1 should be half of the total charge, and of course Q2 should be half of the total charge. So Q1 and Q2 both should be Q by 2, Q by 2. And when Q is broken into two parts, which is a half Q by 2, Q by 2, each of the charges Q by 2, Q by 2, the force will be maximum. So अगर आप calculate करोगे 10, consider Q as a 10 value. This is just an example, right? Q1 is 1 and Q2 is 9. Say R is equals to 1 meter. Just to take a value to check, right? R is a 1 meter. Calculate the force F for first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. You will see that for the fifth option, the value of force will be maximum. आप ये calculate कीजिए force की सारी value. You will found that the force is maximum for the option fifth, which is Q by 2, Q by 2, 10 is divided by 2, 5 and 5, right? So visualize the problem first, it will be easy. Then remember this concept. When you want to find a maximum value for the given quantity, you should compare differentiation of that quantity with respect to the variable is 0, right? Differentiation of that quantity F with respect to the variable which is Q1, sorry, यहाँ पे dF divided by dQ1 should be 0. इसको आप 0 से compare करेंगे, that you will find the value which is a value of Q1 as a variable which is Q by 2, and for this value force F is maximum. Force F is maximum, and F can be calculated using this formula. Okay.